Dear boys, good evening. We are going to discuss about a case study on the fluids used in automobile applications. We are going to discuss something one by one. Who is going to start with? Okay, Vignesh, what you are saying about?
So basically, we are getting into the topic as fluid, and in this, the empathy or the purpose of this is to understand applications of fluids, but especially on automobiles and automotives. So we are going to see about the real life world, real life applications of fluids on automobiles. So basically, we all know that fluids are nothing but a mixture of liquids and gases, or we can simply say that anything that is able to flow freely are known as fluids. So there are a lot of examples in which fluids are extremely used in automotives and automobiles. So let us see one by one how they are used.
Based on the case study, we are going to discuss about this. Okay. What you find in the case study you have?
I am Yashik. I'm going to speak about engine oil. Engine oil is very predominant use of fluid. Engine oil makes the engine.
I think you referred few journals, right?
Yeah,
Based on the journals, we are going to discuss. Okay.
Engine oil can protect the engine from contaminants and overheating. It can also act as a coolant, and ensuring engine oil frequently can increase the vehicle's performance and reduce contamination. Thank you. And next up.
Yeah. So based on the case study, you are continuing what we had gone through it. Okay.
So as of continuation with what Yadav said, he was speaking about the engine oil. So I am here to talk about the coolants. So coolants are nothing but the fluids which are used predominantly to cool down the engine, which run for a very long time. When a vehicle runs for quite longer time, it generally produces heat, and the heat may cause many damages in the vehicle. It may cause the wear and it may reduce the wear and tear of the equipment, or the equipment may get ejected, or maybe it can be damaged easily, and it would definitely result you in higher cost of replacing it, right? So using of coolants may reduce these kind of problems, such as using engine oils or coolants. So coolants have certain level which has to be used. I mean, for maybe vehicles like heavy trucks need continuous supply of coolant, because it would generate a large amount of heat which you can even feel when you are quite closer to it, right? So every vehicle has its own consumption of coolant, because when it comes to smaller vehicles, the consumption of coolant may be little less than compared to heavy duty trucks, or maybe heavy duty vehicles.
So, do any of you know about the coolant in hot condition as well as cool conditions? For example, if we are in hill areas, how the coolant will work? Do any of you know about it?
Sir, the efficiency or the level of coolant required would be very less, I think, because the outer atmosphere is itself very cool. So
Actually, we are thinking that coolants are used to reduce the heat.
Yeah.
But we have some coolants which are used to increase the heat to avoid the freezing. In cold condition, there will be the formation of ice. To avoid the formation of ice, we are using some coolants to make the coolant here hot,
To raise the temperature.
to raise the temperature. Yeah. You have to understand that also. Anything you both of you want to discuss about?
As it said, coolant plays a vital role in vehicle health. The replacement of the fuel should be in a proper time or schedule. The fluid has the different types and various lifespans. So the fuel should be replaced on the time as a manufacturer guidelines. It can increase the lifespan of the vehicle and also prevent from the vehicle seizing or breakdowns like that.
Okay, well, what is your opinion on the fluid?
Fluid is nothing but reduce the usage, definitely the increase.
Okay.
So what is coming to this? I mean, fuels are nothing but which involves these engine oil, coolants, and what Surya Prakash said. I mean, the replacement of fluids.
They are used for air conditioning refrigerant also.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Nice. Let us meet in another